Welcome to How to Use TikTok for Product Promotion. Boost your sales. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of effectively using TikTok to promote your products and increase your sales. But before we start, if could ask you to hit the like button and subscribe, that will help the channel a lot. Let's get started. First, let's talk about creating engaging content. TikTok is all about capturing attention with short, catchy videos. Here are some key tips to keep in mind. Start with a hook. Grab viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Use intriguing captions, dynamic visuals, or ask a question to entice them to watch your video till the end. Showcase your product creatively. Highlight the key features, benefits, or unique selling points of your product. Use creative shots, close-ups, or demonstrations to make your product stand out. Use popular trends and challenges. Keep an eye on the trending challenges and hashtags on TikTok. Incorporate them into your videos by creatively integrating your product into the trend. This helps to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. Once you have your video content ready, it's time to edit and enhance it using TikTok's built-in features. Let's explore some useful editing tips. Add music and effects. TikTok offers a vast library of music and effects to enhance your videos. Choose a catchy tune that fits the mood of your product and experiment with effects to make your video visually appealing. Use text overlays. Include text overlays to highlight key messages, product features, or calls to action. Make sure the text is clear, concise, and easy to read within the short video time frame. Leverage TikTok's video editing tools. Take advantage of TikTok's editing tools, such as filters, stickers, and transitions. These tools can help add a professional touch to your videos and make them more engaging. Now that your video is ready, let's discuss strategies to maximize your reach and engagement on TikTok. Utilize hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags that are popular within your niche. This helps your videos appear in related searches and increases the likelihood of reaching your target audience. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with TikTok influencers can amplify your product promotion efforts. Look for influencers whose audience aligns with your target market and collaborate on videos that showcase your product. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and video shares. Engaging with your audience builds a connection and encourages them to share your videos with others, increasing your visibility. Lastly, let's talk about tracking your success and analyzing your TikTok performance. Use TikTok's analytics. TikTok provides analytics tools that offer insights into your video's performance, including views, likes, shares, and audience demographics. Study these metrics to understand what's working and optimize your future content. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and content styles. Pay attention to the feedback and adjust your strategy based on the analytics to continually improve your results. And that's a wrap. By following these tips, you can effectively use TikTok for product promotion and boost your sales. Remember to create engaging content, leverage TikTok's features, maximize reach and engagement, and analyze your performance. Happy TikToking!